We are going to start with the addition and subtraction of matrices. Adding and subtracting matrices, this is a very simple operation. So what exactly do we need to do? You should add together the corresponding elements of the matrices, and the result of this addition should be entered into the resulting matrix. Corresponding elements, meaning add the element of the first row, first column of this, to the element of the first row, first column of this. I'll just jot this down on the side. How much is 3 plus negative 2? 3 minus 2 is 1. I'll write the result in the first row, first column of this one. So the first row, first column, this element, plus the first row, first column, that element, and I'll write the result in the first row, first column of the resulting matrix. And so on. Take the first row, second column of the matrix on the left. Then you add the first row, second column of the matrix on the right. I'll just make a quick note of this on the side. Minus 1 plus 4, minus 1 plus 4, that makes 3. So I'm writing the final result here, which is 3. Alright, moving on. The first row, third column of this one, plus the first row, third column of that one, I'll write down the result as 9 right away. If you can do this in your head, that's excellent. For example, here, 4 plus 5 minus 1 plus 4. If you can do it in your head right away, that's good. But if you often make mistakes with it, feel free to write it down on the side, just like I did in these first two operations, and next. Alright, so next, we're going to add all of the corresponding elements together. Okay? We have 12 plus negative 3. A plus and a minus gives us a minus, so that makes it 9. And then, minus 2 plus 4 is 2. Next, 3 plus 2 is 5. And finally, minus 4 plus 0, the result here will be minus 4. Alright, let's move on to the next one. So 2 plus 1, that equals 3. And then 0 plus negative 1, what does that make? Minus 1. Alright, so if you take minus 1 and then you add 1 to it, the final result will be 0. Wouldn't you agree? Minus 3 plus minus 3. Now, listen carefully. Minus 3 plus minus 3 will be minus 3, which gives us minus 6. I'll write that result down right here, minus 6. And then minus 4 plus 3 will be minus 1, won't it? I'll write that result down here, minus 1. Very simple, right? I add the corresponding elements. Assuming someone is already fluent with this, I've already mentioned it, right? Fluently adds positive and negative numbers.